How to use the Fostering Joy Journal for deaf and hard of hearing children.
Hello everyone. I, along with some of the other deaf and hard of hearing guides, have been working on a Fostering Joy Journal for children. In this video, we will share more about the journal, including how this journal can be used by families, professionals, and deaf and hard of hearing children themselves.
Now, you are wondering how you, adults and professionals, can use this journal with the children and families. A grown-up can discuss or share what kind of joys they have with the child. It is a way to build a strong relationship between the child and the adult. Professionals can provide this to families to help seek out positive things with their child. The important thing is that you want to encourage a good foundational relationship with the child, and this book will help you and the child to recognize the joys they have. And making the connection that this is your joy and this is my joy. Like others stated, there are sections in the journal where a trusted adult and a child sit down to discuss the adult's joys. Seeing what kind of things make them happy or bring them joy. It is encouraged to discuss and learn each other's joys. Deaf and hard of hearing children can use this journal on their own by drawing in it, writing in it, or making a craft to answer the questions. DHH children can also journal with their grown-up. A grown-up is someone who is a trusted adult in the child's life. This person can read the questions to them, record the answers, help clarify the questions, teach the child vocabulary, and help provide examples to expand on the child's personal growth. This is also a good time for a grown-up and a child to connect and gives the child a chance to describe their thoughts to their grown-up. This may help the grown-up understand the child's perspective and share their own experiences that can relate. And as a friendly reminder, a journal is a way for people to get their thoughts on paper. It does not need to be perfect, sentences do not always need to make sense, and things like spelling do not matter. Now, as you know, this journal is to foster joy in deaf and hard of hearing children. So why did the four of us as authors feel inspired to create this book for deaf and hard of hearing children? First, journaling is a great way to record one's journey in life at that time. Second, journaling gives an opportunity for thinking, discussing, and later reflecting. Third, journaling is a healthy way for deaf and hard of hearing children to have a safe place to put down their thoughts and feelings as their view in this world is unique. Lastly, it is important for each child to remember and understand that they are more than just their hearing difference. They are a person and unique. We hope you enjoy this journal and discover your own joys in life. Happy journaling! We hope you enjoy the journey.